Meaning of glaciation.
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 Glaciation. Glaciation refers to the process of the formation and advancement of glaciers. During a glaciation period, the climate cools and precipitation increases, leading to the accumulation of snow and ice to form glaciers. This can have significant effects on landscapes, including erosion, deposition and transportation of rocks and sediments. As glaciers move, they can carve valleys, shape mountains, and contribute to the formation of lakes and rivers. Glaciation can also impact global sea levels, as glaciers store large amounts of water that can be released when they melt.